Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host 2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to display payment icons on Shopify product pages. First, access the Shopify dashboard. On the left, click the Online Store button. Just click it. The themes page opens. Let's go to our theme. Click the three-dot button, open the menu, and select Edit Code. This opens our themes file page. On the left sidebar, you'll see a list of theme files. Go to the Filter Files bar, type Bind. A file named Bind Bottoms Liquid will appear. Click on it to open the script. Scroll down to the very last line. The last line will be blank. Just hit Enter once to create it. Next, we'll go to hosttube.net where you'll see a page with payment icons. To make it easy, you can select which icons you want to show in your store. Choose as many as you like. I'll pick MasterCard, Visa, PayPal, and Amex. You can select all if you prefer. I'll choose the first 5, but if you don't use PayPal, you don't need to include it. You can select all or just a few, your choice. After selecting, scroll down and click the Generate Script button. Once generated, you'll see the full script. Then click Copy Script. After that, we'll return to Shopify and paste our code into the blank line we left. Once you've pasted the code, look for the Save button in the top right corner. Simply click it and your changes will be saved successfully. Now, if you visit any product page in your store, you'll see payment methods displayed below the buy buttons. Here, you'll find all the options you've selected listed. You've now successfully added payment icons to your product pages. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.